Hey guys, this is GetBeats bringing you another Guitar Hero 2 tutorial. In this one I'll be showing you how to edit text strings and change the names of the bands and songs on the set list. This one's been requested and hope I can help you guys out. As usual, read my description, there's a bunch of useful things there. I'm not going to answer stuff that's already been answered a million times. So just make sure you guys actually read and help yourselves out a bit. To start off, we need to open up Guitar Hero Explorer. In it, you find a little folder called config, gen, and then we're looking for a little file called songs.dtb. It's right there. What we need to do is we need to extract that so we can edit it. So just create a new folder on your desktop or whatever, extract it, put it there, and save that. Now, there's a forum in Score Hero which also shows you how to do this. It'll also have the file gh2ne.zip. I'll post a link in that in my description. Make sure you guys read that too. Now we open that up and we want to run gh2ne. I'll open up this a little bit. So we look for our new songs.dtb. This is a little DTB editor. And you can see here are the names of all the songs and all the bands. Now, I'm sure you guys want to see what custom songs I've got as well. You match them up. For instance, you see Arterial Black here, Arterial Black here. Now, you just want to edit whatever song you put. So I've got Stricken by Disturbed. And my computer's chugging a bit on that one, so that's what I'll replace it with. Stricken for the song name. Disturbed for the band name. See, change that. You do that for every single song that you have. Every single song in your set list that you want to change. Whatever. When you're done with that, click Save. Now make sure you only click Save once. If you do it more than once, you get a glitchy file and it can screw your ISO over. So if you make an error on this, and you click save more than once, you gotta start all over again. It's a pain in the ass, but that's how it is. Once you've replaced that, I'm not gonna bother doing it. You still got your songs.dtb right there. Now, all you do is you just go back to where you found that DTB in the config gen folder, find songs, click replace. Just replace it with that file that you just made. I'm just going to replace it with the one that I've already have made. Just click yes. And it only takes a few seconds. You do that for your entire set list, and every single name of the bands and the song names will change. Now, since we're also editing other text strings, here's another little trick that you can do. Any sort of text that in the game, like character names, song lists, tier titles, just about anything in the game can be replaced and edited. And I'll show you guys how to do that too. You go to the UI folder, you go to ENG folder, gen, and locale.dtb. You want to extract that. Now, you also open up your gh2ne.zip, but instead of going to gh2ne.exe, we're going to gh2dtb editor, and we get this. So we just open that file. We open up the locale. As you can see, there's a lot of different text strings in this game. For instance, you can find the load screens and change them to whatever you want. Now, there is a cap limit on certain things, especially load screens specifically. I'm pretty sure that it's 250 characters. For instance, right here, the store. It says, when you buy the song Arterial Black, it gives you a little description of the band and the song. Dress returns to offer a double dose of flying fretwork with Arterial Black. You can change that to whatever you like. But this one is a lot less glitchy. You can save as many times as you want. You can edit it as many times as you want. And whenever you're done, like for instance a loading screen here, I've got my own custom little load screens here. Beware of airplanes, they're your worst enemies. Uh, when you're done with that, it's the exact same thing as you do with your songs. You just save it and then replace it back into the game. Whenever like the certain parts take up, like for instance, I've changed the when you get star power in the game, I've changed that text string to its morphin time. I'm a little fan of the Power Rangers, I know. Load screens are all different. I've got custom load screens, especially you can have a lot of fun with bonus tracks because they have fixed load screens. You can have song references or band references or information on that part. You can have a lot of fun with this game, and I'll show you some of the stuff I've got in my Guitar Hero right now. Okay guys, I'm on a crappy digital camera now, so you have to bear with some interlace lines on my TV for a minute. But I'm going to show you some of the stuff that I've done with my Guitar Hero that I've used with those editors that I just showed you how to use. So I'll just keep my camera moving. Hopefully I'll get as few interlace lines as possible. As you can see, I've got the basic menu here. I'll just go to quick play. And I've got, different song names for each thing. Right where Arterial Black is, I've got Stricken, which I showed you. And let's go into the song Vicarious by Tool. Go to Experts and Expert Song. And I've got some movie quotes and stuff there. There's my custom load screens. Anyone can guess what that is? Maybe some recognition in it. But you saw that, Vicarious by Tool. And custom song. Now, too bad my TV is too high up. I'd show you the different loading screen, or the different star power screen. But it says no. I'll show you my fail screen. How about that? So I'll fail. And I just fucked up. Game's good for encouragement. Hope that helps you out.